Welcome to the Money Whisperer. Imagine a world where money talks are no longer taboo, but rather a collaborative endeavor that brings your family closer together. We're about to delve into practical strategies to involve every member, from the youngest to the eldest, ensuring that each voice is heard and every dream is accounted for. Prepare to be empowered as we demystify the budgeting process, transforming it from a daunting task into an exciting opportunity for growth, understanding, and financial mastery. You'll learn how to navigate the intricate dance of balancing needs and wants, prioritizing expenses, and unlocking the hidden potential within your collective resources. But this is more than just a lesson in numbers and spreadsheets. It's a chance to redefine your relationship with money, turning it from a source of stress into a catalyst for unity, joy, and the realization of your family's shared ambitions. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey that will forever change the way you perceive and manage your financial life. Together, we'll unleash the power of family budgeting, laying the foundation for a future where your dreams are no longer just wishes, but tangible realities waiting to be achieved while transforming your relationship with money forever. Tip 1. Start with a family money summit. Gather everyone together, from the kids to the grandparents, and have an open discussion about your financial goals, dreams, and concerns. This creates a sense of unity and ensures everyone is on the same page. Tip 2. Assign roles and responsibilities. Just like a well-oiled machine, a successful family budget requires everyone to play a part. Assign roles and responsibilities based on each person's strengths and interests, ensuring everyone is invested in the process. Let's not forget, join the revolution of the faceless, where words reign supreme and our voices echo louder than any image. Subscribe now and become a part of a community that defies convention, shattering the boundaries of traditional content creation. Together, we'll embark on an odyssey through the realms of personal finance, where knowledge is our currency and empowerment is our ultimate goal. Tip 3. Create a spending plan. Determine your family's fixed and variable expenses and allocate funds accordingly. Make it a fun exercise by involving the kids and letting them categorize expenses in creative ways. Tip 4. Find creative ways to save. Saving money doesn't have to be a drag. Get creative and turn it into a family game or challenge. Who can come up with the most innovative ways to cut costs and boost your savings? Tip 5. Celebrate milestones. Setting financial goals is important, but don't forget to celebrate your victories along the way. When you reach a milestone, have a family money party complete with silly costumes, music, and your favorite treats. Tip 6. Review and adjust regularly. Life is full of surprises, so it's essential to review and adjust your budget regularly. Schedule monthly or quarterly money meetings to address any changes in your family's financial situation and make necessary tweaks. As we wrap things up, folks, 6 tips to help you harness the power of family budgeting and transform your relationship with money forever. Remember, it's not just about the numbers. It's about fostering unity, communication, and a shared sense of purpose. Join the revolution of the unseen, where our channel breaks free from the shackles of conventional norms. Subscribe now and become a part of a movement that values the weight of our words over the facade of appearances. Together, we'll unlock the secrets of personal finance, forging a path towards financial liberation that knows no bounds. Until next time, keep those money talks flowing, and may your family's financial future be as bright as the dreams you dare to chase.